Hello everyone, let's start how to calculate bonus amount in Excel. So you can see I have data. To calculate the bonus amount, select the cell, use this equal to, select here the basic salary, add a asterisk sign, select the bonus percentage and press the enter. Then select the cell, double click on this corner point to fill below data. And here you can see the bonus amount calculated of every employee. Next, the total salary. Select the cell is equal to select the basic salary plus bonus amount and press the enter. Then select the cell, double click on this corner point to fill below data. Next here I'm going to calculate bonus eligibility. Select the cell is equal to type here if, select the if function, then select here the basic salary, use the greater than sign is equal to sign. Then here I type the 50,000. Then use the comma, double quote, type here eligible. Then double quote, comma, double quote, type the not eligible. Then double quote, bracket closed and enter, and that's it. So you can see not eligible. The first employee is not eligible because his basic salary is not greater than is equal to 50,000. As I mentioned in this formula, if the basic salary greater than is equal to 50,000, then bonus will eligible, otherwise not eligible. So I select the cell, double click on this corner point to fill below data, and you can see the eligible employee, the basic salary is greater than 50,000 here showing. Okay. And here the one bonus trick, highlight employees receiving the bonus amount greater than 5,000 using conditional formatting. So let's start. So I select the bonus amount column and go to the home tab. In styles group, I click on the conditional formatting. And here I select the highlight cells view, click on the greater than, and here in greater than, I enter the amount 5,000. So greater than 5,000, color width, I just click on this drop down arrow and select here the green field with the dark green text and click on OK. And you can see the greater than 5,000 bonus here highlighted. So that's it. This is the way you can calculate the bonus amount in Excel. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.